What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So the other day I made a video complaining about having trouble controlling my 5-inch because I flew my Whoop for a couple days. Well, it works in reverse as well. I've been flying this drone for about 3-4 packs. It's have a higher KV, more responsive motors. The weight is about the same. It's like 5 gram difference between the two. But now I'm about to fly my slightly lower KV and slightly less responsive drone. Not by much. It's like a 20 KV difference. But so theoretically, I should be able to control the drone with more precision, and it's easier. I know it works. It's not theoretical. I know it works. It feels like it anyway. All right, here we go. Yep, that definitely works. So if you got a drone that's more powerful, higher KV, practice with that. When you want to make your YouTube videos, use one with lower KV.